All right, time to wake him up for breakfast. Get up, boy. Get up. You stay right there, boy. I'm gonna get your friend, and you're gonna eat your breakfast. Don't you move. All right, you, it's breakfast time, so get over here. Oh, sweet breakfast. All right, there you go. You two stay right there. You two better stay right there. I will beat the ever-loving crap out of you if you move. Don't you move. Oh man, I had a good sleep, which is surprising because we're in prison. Well, what about you, Kuba? How'd it go for you? I don't want to talk about it. Okay then. Alright, punks, I brought you breakfast. Here you go. Some oranges. Now eat up.
Oh, come on! Is that seriously all we have to eat? Just oranges? What kind of cheap-ass prison is this? Oh, it sucks. Oh, wait, hold on. What's this? Okay, grape soda. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, I can live with that. Okay, that's a lot better, actually. Good.
Oh, I knew I was forgetting something. Forgot my drink.
Oh, come on! Why?
Alright, buddy, now that you're done with breakfast, time to go back to your cell.
Oh, yeah, punk, you call that breakfast? It was just 2 oranges. That was a crap breakfast. And you know, I'm just gonna brush my teeth. Screw this. Okay, I got my toothbrush and, oh no! Oh man, I dropped it! Oh man, I can't believe I dropped my toothbrush. Oh, it's probably all dirty. Oh my god, what happened? What happened? Oh, what is this? Where am I? What?
Sitting alone in jail.
Koopa!
Koopa,
How the heck did you get in here? I don't know. I was just trying to brush my teeth. I dropped it, my toothbrush, and I went down to grab it, and all of a sudden I got sucked into like a pipe or something.
No way, bro. You found a warp pipe.
Oh, is that what that is? Yeah, dude. Now we can meet up and talk. That's awesome. Oh, cool. Ooh, even better. We can plan a way to escape.
Escape?
Wait, what do you mean? Dude, you don't want to get out of here? I mean, dude, look, here's how I see it. You know we both did that shit. We did those crimes. We're guilty. At least we got a plea deal, man. Come on. Dude, I don't want to be here. It sucks.
I mean, yeah. It wasn't all that bad. I got a nice cell. I got toilet paper. I got some pizza. Oh, wait.
Did you say pizza?
Yeah.
How the hell did you get pizza?
My one phone call, duh.
Goomba, so help me God, you better not be telling me that you used your one phone call to order a goddamn pizza. Get off, man. Okay, look, yes, I ordered a pizza.
So what? We're gonna be here for a while. So I ordered some good food. My last good meal in like, what, was it 20 years? I can't remember.
You suck, man. You just get out, Koopa. Just get out. Go, get out. Don't hit me. Get the frick out.
Jeez.
Oh, freaking Goomba. He uses one phone call on pizza. What is wrong with him? Damn, I don't want to be here. I guess I'll just lay down or something.
Alright, buddy, get up. It's time for your work period.
Wait, what? Work?
Yeah, boy, you gotta go to work. Or what, you think that the American taxpayers were just gonna pay for your free housing, your free food?
Frick no! You're gonna work, damn it! Aw, man! No, come here.
Alright, punks, time for work period. Now you see them freaking dishes? I want them all clean by the end of the hour. Or so help me God, you go into the hole. So you better get this done by the hour. You got me? Good.
Hey, Goomba. What, dude? Okay, I got a plan, okay? So, I know we gotta do the dishes, but we'll do that later. What if we go over to the drawer over there, and we jack some of the spoons? Because you know that warp pipe tunnel we found? We can use it and dig our way out. We can escape.
Koopa, look, listen, dude. I've been doing good, okay? I don't want to get in trouble, man. Why do you have to be doing this stuff? Why don't we just serve the damn sentence? I am not going to be here for 20 years, okay? Come on, it's a good plan. Koopa, look, you do you, man. I'm going to go get started, but I don't want to get involved with whatever crap you're doing, okay?
Ah, Goomba, come on, man. Forget you, then. I'll do it by myself.
Okay, good. The guard left. Now I can try to search the kitchen area, try to find something so I can dig a hole and escape this stupid place. Okay, what do you use? Knife? No. Spoon! Oh, that's perfect. I'll take a spoon. Okay, got the spoon. Okay, now I gotta hide it somewhere so I can, alright, coming to check on you punks! Oh crap, he's got me! Where do I hide it? My shell! I hide it in my shell.
Koopa, I swear to God, if we get caught, I am going to kill you.
Dude, just shut up. We're not gonna get caught, just shut up.
Alright, punks, your work period is over, and now it's time to go back to your cells. So come on.
He left. Now to get this spoon, start digging.